Hey, I'm Graham Averill. I write about gear and adventure for Men's Journal. I've been spending a lot of time testing grills recently, and this right here is one of my favorites. It's the Thaan Portable Grill, a Thai-style charcoal grill designed to deliver high heat and long burn times in a really portable package. Let's fire this thing up and see how it performs.
Right out of the box, the very first thing you notice is the unique design. Simple lines and a matte orange shell that stands out from any other grill. Sure, it's the kind of grill that looks really good in your social media posts, but beneath these good looks is some seriously overbuilt hardware. Inside, it features a double wall insulated body made from stainless steel, and the outside is coated in a high temperature powder coated steel. These materials are built to last for years down the road. But the cooking surface itself is pretty small at just 110 square inches. That's enough space to cook about 6 burgers at a time. Because of this robust double-walled construction, this grill is also pretty heavy, weighing in at a beefy 25 pounds, which is a lot heavier than most other charcoal grills in the portable size category. It comes with a standard stainless steel grate, but you can also grab a $99 accessory kit that gives you a wire mesh grill for delicate foods, as well as a cast iron griddle. When it comes to firing this thing up, it's specifically designed around Thaan's Thai-style charcoal. This charcoal is super compressed, which means it delivers incredibly high heat with very low smoke. Once you build the charcoal base, it burns hot and it burns long. It can be a little tough to get the fire started though. Thaan recommends building a log cabin base with the bricks, but I often found myself having to supplement this structure with more bricks set afire inside a traditional chimney. Thaan also included some brilliant hardware details that help manage the heat. At the base of the grill, there's a single panel of sliding windows. This lets you tailor the amount of airflow reaching the charcoal so you can dial in your exact level of heat depending on what you're cooking. Inside the grill, there's a removable charcoal riser. This lets you raise the height of the coals to put the heat source closer to your food. Right beneath that riser is an ashtray that catches everything and makes cleanup an absolute cinch. So how does it actually perform when you're cooking? In short, the Thaan outperforms most full-sized backyard grills. That double wall insulated body does an incredible job of trapping the heat inside and pushing all of those BTUs straight up into the grate instead of letting heat escape through the sides. Because of that double wall design, the outside of the grill actually stays relatively cool to the touch, even when the charcoal is burning at its absolute peak. This is a massive performance perk because it means that you can place the grill right on a wooden picnic table without ever worrying about burning a hole in it. By using the charcoal riser to bring the coals closer to the grate, you can sear absolutely beautiful restaurant quality lines right into a steak. And while that 110 square inch surface only holds a handful of burgers at a time, the fuel lasts so incredibly long that you could easily feed an army if you're willing to stand there and man the grill in batches.
Okay, the Thaan Grill retails for $4.99. That's not cheap. When you combine that hefty price tag with the 25-pound weight and the fact that it's a small cooking surface, this is not the grill for every use case. This is not the grill you're looking for if you just want to make a couple of quick hot dogs in the trailhead after a mountain bike ride. This is a grill designed for epic grilling sessions out in the wild. Picture a weekend-long camping trip where you fire this thing up to cook dinner for your family, throwing on bratwurst, burgers, chicken breasts, whatever your family loves. You feed the family, and then later on that night, use those same coals to roast marshmallows for s'mores. The Thaan Grill is about enhancing the entire cooking experience, not rushing through a meal. If you're looking for a chef-quality portable grill that burns extremely hot, looks beautiful, and is built tough to last for years, then consider the Thaan Grill an investment in your grilling future.